as Odisha FC take on BSF. We are at the Sai Stadium in Kokrajhar. It's a Group E clash game.
Youngster flanked by Gibson Singh and Foba Singh.
Yep.
And we kick off Odisha FC playing from left to right in a grey and purple outfit, while BSF will move from right to left in their all red outfits, Henry. There's a ball over the top here that has been gathered. They're looking for a way to prise Odisha FC's defense open. The shot has been blocked. And another shot from range, which has taken a deflection and is bundled behind for a corner, perhaps.
That was a counter-attack. Very well, very nicely done. But look at the defense. They just couldn't read that ball.
Bundle that away somehow. Deep in BSF's territory as he chops back. A little Cruyff as he crosses it into the box. And a spectacular attempt is flown over the bar as Rahul laid it through for a wonderful finish. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous goal. On the counter-attack for Odisha.
Look at the way they lose that ball over here. And then what happens was the speed takes over. And very quickly it was a 2-1. And then that placement, absolutely brilliant. So cool, calm, composed.
Lovely finish on the left foot. Caressed it beyond the goalkeeper. Didn't try and hit it hard. Picked his spot. Immaculately done by the young Rahul Mukhi. Once again, they pick the ball up. In similar territories, Pungte Lapung drives forward with it, finds the Foba. On the left, he's taking it! He's beaten the goalkeeper as young Foba with a moment of magic. Absolutely magical from the young Manipuri winger. We were speaking about him a minute or two ago, and that is a goal of the highest order.
What he had to do is just come on. Nobody really putting him on. Look at that layoff for him. Nobody really tracking him down. It's a nice angle to curl that ball, and what a curl that was. The goalkeeper really gaping there. Fantastic curl, world class, I would say.
So as here he comes again. He's been a thorn in their side, Foba, as he marauds down the middle. He spread it. Another fantastic rasper from Gibson. The two Manipuris combining. Foba and Gibson. It's 3-0.
Look at that passing that came in. Once you look at that goal, you will be really saying what a wonderful try. 3 versus 2, 4 versus 2, and then very intelligently brings it back, sees Gibson. And what a strike. That is simply good. At the lower corner of the goal, goalkeeper has got no chance. And what a strike this is. He's got the speed, he's got the ability to dribble past the defender, put that ball in the center.
1-2 played into the edge of the box, and perhaps that movement is cut BSF to shreds. The cutback negated all the BSF defenders, and it is a man who's got his just rewards for an industrious showing.
What a fantastic touch that was. Very, very interesting to see this variation. All of a sudden, that ball was given in. He came into the onside position, and that ball was crisp. And that vision was so perfect over there. When the ball came in, all the thing he had to do, turn his body a little bit, keep that ball on target. Beautiful finish that was.
Once again, 5-0. 5-0. And Odisha have absolutely decapacitated BSF here in a matter of seconds. It's a goal for Gibson, who's got 2 assists and now 2 goals. The young Manipuri is putting BSF to the sword here.
Brilliant piece of work once again. When the ball was taken away, still they had the possession. And all of a sudden, he gets inside, and look what he does. He passes on, nobody there really challenging him. All the thing he had to do is keep the ball on target, but on the wide.
Beautiful left-footed slot, and Gibson Singh has turned all sorts of Andre Pirlo here. And it has been blown here at the Sai Stadium in Kokrajhar that has been decorated by 5